Tommy loved his mum more than anything in the world. She was his best friend, his confidant, and his biggest supporter. She had a way of making him feel safe and loved, no matter what. Every evening, after Tommy finished his homework, his mum would sit down with him and help him with any tricky problems. They would often play games together, laughing and having fun. If Tommy was ever feeling down, his mom knew just what to say to make him smile. She would often tell him stories about her childhood or bake his favorite cookies. Tommy was especially grateful for his mom's hard work. He knew she worked long hours to provide for their family. Every day, he would see her get up early in the morning to make him breakfast and get him ready for school. Even though she was tired, she always had a smile on her face. Tommy admired his mom's strength and dedication. She was always there for him no matter what. Whether he was sick, had a bad day at school, or was simply feeling overwhelmed, his mum was always there to lend a listening ear and offer a comforting hug. Tommy knew that he was lucky to have such a wonderful mother. He wanted to make her proud and promised himself that he would work hard to become a kind and compassionate person, just like her. One day, Tommy came home from school feeling upset. He had been picked on by some of the older kids. His mum listened patiently as he told her what had happened. She gently reminded him that not everyone is kind, and that it's important to stand up for what he believed in. She also told him that he was a strong and brave boy, and that he could overcome any challenge. With his mum's love and support, Tommy was able to move on from the incident and focus on the positive things in his life. He realized that he was truly blessed to have such a special mom. As Tommy grew older, his love for his mom only deepened. He knew that he could always count on her to be there for him, no matter what. And he promised himself that he would always be there for her too.